Let's Ask Pilipinas Breakdown. Let's Ask Pilipinas is a game show premiered in October 14, 2013 to November 21, 2014, hosted by Aga Mulak from Season 1 to 2 and Ogie Alcacid in Season 3. In Round 1, they will answer 3 multiple choice questions with 2 possible answers. First question is 2,000 pesos, second question is 3,000 pesos, and third question is 4,000 pesos. The contestant who received the least amount of money at the end of Round 1 will be eliminated. Round 2 is the same as Round 1, but this time it's 6,000 for the first question, 8,000 for the second question, and 10,000 for the third question, with 3 possible answers. For Round 3, it's 4 possible answers with 2 questions. First question is 12,000 pesos, and second question is 15,000 pesos. If there is a tie at the end of each round, there will be a tiebreaker round called Agad-Agad, where the tied players will do a scavenger hunt race for the correct answer to a survey. When the host says go, they start the race. The last tied player will be eliminated from the game. In the bonus round, the last player standing will wage how much will he or she playing for this question. He or she can also wage all in, where his or her winnings will be doubled, but getting a wrong answer and will leave with nothing. Pop culture and local entertainment. Let's Ask Pilipinas becomes engaging by turning familiar Filipino pop culture into an opportunity for both entertainment and learning. Questions about local celebrities, television shows, movies, music, viral moments, and popular trends allow contestants and viewers to test how well they know the entertainment landscape around them. These topics are effective because they connect trivia with experiences that many Filipinos encounter in everyday life. The excitement comes from recognizing a familiar reference, while the challenge lies in remembering specific details. This combination makes pop culture questions feel accessible while still creating moments of surprise when even the most familiar topics prove difficult.
Ano ang kadalasang dina-download ng mga teenager? Tanungin natin ang audience ha, kasi puro mga teenagers ang nandito. Ano sa tingin nyo? Movies, music, games?
Mali ako.
Music, tingnan natin. So let's start with Joey Reyes. Direct Joey.
Kaming mga kabataan, natural lang sa amin na mag-download. At alam naman sa mga panahon ito, mahal-mahal na ng mga audio CD, hindi ba? At saka sa dami ng mga music na available. Alam mo, dina-download namin kung di pa talaga music. Di ba mga dudes?
Alright, good answer. Let's ask si Long. Long,
Ayan na.
mga teenager to, dami mo niyan.
Oh, dito na ako kinabahan sa katanungan.
Ano?
Bilang sa mga anak ko, nakikita ko palagi nilang dina-download ito. Games.
Games? Pwede rin.
Philippine Geography and Traditions. Questions about Philippine geography and traditions highlight the country's cultural and regional diversity. Contestants may be challenged to identify provinces, landmarks, festivals, local customs, or traditions associated with different parts of the country. These questions do more than test memory because they encourage viewers to appreciate how different communities contribute to Filipino identity. Geography can also add difficulty because the Philippines has thousands of islands, each with its own history and cultural characteristics. By incorporating these subjects into a quiz format, Let's Ask Pilipinas makes learning about the country more interactive while encouraging audiences to become more curious about places and traditions they may not know well.
Sa birthday party, mas gustong nilalagay ng mga Pinoy ang ice cream dito. Cone or cup? Ba, ang bilis ni Elvira, oh. Answers up! Okay, let's start with Elvira. Elvira, ano sagot mo, Elvira?
Siyempre, nagbe-birthday ang mga bata. Gusto nila na sa cone, ayaw nila na sa cup. Pang matanda daw yun, pag nasa cup.
Everyday Pinoy trivia and lifestyle. The most relatable questions often come from ordinary Filipino life. Let's Ask Pilipinas can turn familiar experiences involving food, transportation, family traditions, household habits, language, shopping, and everyday routines into entertaining trivia. These questions work because contestants do not necessarily need specialized knowledge. They simply need to recognize details from their own daily experiences. At the same time, seemingly simple questions can become surprisingly difficult when they require specific facts rather than personal assumptions. This combination of familiarity and unpredictability makes everyday trivia engaging, while also showing how Filipino culture can be found in even the smallest details of daily life.
Ice cream container na may isda.
Kasi nakakairita naman yung kala mo ice cream, di ba? Feel na feel mo ng dessert. Tapos biglang, ay, isda pala. Parang nakaka-disappoint. So, I think kung ako yun yung, kaya ito yung sagot ko.
Tama, ice cream container na may isda. Oo nga naman.
Di ba biglang malansa pa?
Yeah, parang
niloko ka
ice cream
pa.
na, naging isda pa, no? Kaya,
Yes.